To make the perfect espresso on your espresso setup, follow these steps. Remove the portafilter and wipe it dry, and flush a small amount of water through the group head. Select the corresponding dose on your grinder and clip in the portafilter. Remove the portafilter and tap it against the palm of your hand to level the ground coffee. Rest the portafilter on a level surface and tamp the coffee flat, making sure the tamper is evenly deep all the way around. Reinsert the portafilter into the group head, quickly select the espresso dose you require and place the cup under the spout. Check the espresso runs slowly and dark in colour to begin with, and speeds up slightly as it lightens in colour. Once the espresso has finished running, serve it on a saucer and spoon. Go back to your machine, release the portafilter from the group head and knock out the puck in the knock box. Wipe the portafilter clean and dry and reinsert it in the group head. If you are making an Americano, simply follow those steps but using a cup of hot water instead of an espresso cup. For further help understanding what makes a perfect espresso, how to set up your espresso equipment, or anything coffee related, contact us for our in-depth barista training.